Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, Assalamu alaikum. Hope everybody is doing very well. I've been in Bangladesh for a few days now. We're going to talk about a disruption era right now with AI, and how do I actually make this career journey? What are the things that we need to do, how we need to do it? A few things that we can talk about here. Like, how do I make myself significantly better and prepared for it? Like few soft, a nuance components. Number one, let's improve ourselves on an everyday basis. Daily, I need to do something. What can I do daily that actually makes me a different person? Number one thing, learn one thing new every day regarding AI. Very simple. You can go to YouTube, you can go to Google, you can go to any other place or ChatGPT and find something brand new that happened that day or that last week. That's something you can learn that you have not learned or you don't know anything about. So learn one new thing every day. Second, actually enhance your knowledge that you already have with additional knowledge. Let's say you learn something, you learned about Nano Banana. Now you understand what Nano Banana is. What you want to do, you actually want to learn further on Nano Banana and how to use better prompting. So make it enhanced, make it stand out, make it much better, go towards, more maturity. Okay, that's number one thing. Let's learn one thing new. Let's enhance one of our knowledge that I have. And if you religiously do that on an everyday basis, if you have vacation, you have holiday, you have exam, you have anything, but you do that every day, spend like 15-20 minutes or maximum 30 minutes to do these things, in 60 to 90 days, you'd be a completely different person. And that counts tremendously. Next thing, you want to acquire a skill at its own depth. For example, ChatGPT. And you want to learn ChatGPT how to create a code, build a local application, or host it globally, or help somebody out. So let's say I want to learn ChatGPT using Codex, which is part of ChatGPT, OpenAI, and build an application and do it at professional level, meaning at in depth. You want to go very much in depth. Target, let's say I want to do it in 30 days. And you become master at it. You can pick anything you want. Let's say ChatGPT, learn that code, or Anthropic, and you use Claude Code with Cursor and such. So again, if you are a developer, what I would recommend, Cursor with Claude Code. If you are a content generator, I would recommend, ChatGPT plus Gemini for multimodality. So anyway, you pick and choose whatever you like and get that even from AI. That this is something I want to learn in depth at professional level, something I can reuse and publish. Third, enhance your own brand so that people are coming to you instead of you going to people. That makes a huge difference because a lot of time we're unable to expose ourselves to the right traction. Why is that important? Nowadays, a high school student, a college student, a university student at any level, 6th grade level, 7th grade, 8th grade, 12th grade, or you are sophomore, junior, or a graduate. If you don't have your brand, people don't know to come to you. So you have to come, you have to be the person so that everybody else can come to you. How can that be possible? Let's write a white paper, publish in Medium. Let's enhance your LinkedIn profile, add LinkedIn article, do a post, reply to very well-known top 10 LinkedIn contributor for AI. Reply to them with genuine thought process and provide them data. Enhanced knowledge. Where do you get that? How do you build those things? Use AI. You can use them. Whatever you feel passionate about, build that brand. And again, once you do something, you have created maybe you learned something, you can talk about whatever you have learned. You enhanced your learning, you can talk about the maturity of that learning. okay, then you actually have built something, learned in depth, and you can say that, oh, okay, the pitfalls, if you want to build application using Cursor and Claude Code, these are the things you should be aware of. These are very vital, and these are the things that people want to know. And if you are the one who's producing, you become by default an authoritative person. That's exactly what you want to be. Because if you create those posting, let's say twice every week, and you have, let's say, 6 months, so what is it, 4 times 6, 24 weeks, and 248 to 50 of the postings. By nature of posting those things, you would be LinkedIn's most influential person for those things, and people are going to be attracted. First, you might have only 2, 3, 4 people, but when they post it, when they like it, and then afterward other people started to like, and they started to follow you automatically, then you start to enhance that component. Even if you have nobody, but your publications, your postings, your articles, those are giving people enhanced knowledge. You can publish that in LinkedIn, you can publish those in Medium, you can publish those in GitHub. Regardless of the fact, this actually helps all other people. That's a contributory factor, and your brand also get published in that way. So if we just follow these 3 components, you can be a significantly better person. Not only a better person, you are ready for workforce at that time. You have not only acquired the knowledge, you have not only got depth of that knowledge to apply those, and you created a brand that actually attracted others who's interested on those skills and actual applicability of it. What you do at that time, in these things, people are going to come to you. They will ask you questions. You provide professional answer. You provide professional guidance. You provide professional insight. Once you start to do these things, and you will find yourself in no time, you are already professionally ready, especially in the AI era where technology is changing every day. If you learn every day, you can provide feedback every day. While you are building something, the code is changing, the LLM is changing, the IDE is changing, the methods and processes are changing. And because you are learning in depth, so you can very knowledgeable person. You can talk about those things with in depth and with provide a guidance and the pitfalls and such. So everybody is actually looking at you, how you can guide them. Third thing, start writing about it. Articles, posts, social, all of those things combined that actually start to enhance your brand. If you can do that while you are a student, your career is already there. Now, of course, you have to enhance your LinkedIn. Of course, you have to match your job. Of course, you have to have really good resume with ATS friendly, ATS meaning application tracking system friendly keywords. So whenever people are searching for somebody, your name rises up. And when it does, they would be looking at you. They would be actually compare everybody else against your benchmark. Even if you take the job or you don't take that job, whoever you are at that time, that would be the standard benchmark, standard bar. With that, hopefully you've learned something. Apply these things and you will see in 6 months you're a different person, and inbound lead should be coming at you. With that, thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening.